For Homelink 2-10, students are required to use tape diagrams to try to solve ratios. This is brand new to some students, and so they might have some trouble with it. So let's look at this first problem. There are 25 students in a classroom. The ratio of boys to girls is 2-3. How many boys are in the class? All right, so when you first look at this, you want to first think about what the ratio is, and that is what's going to determine your boxes for your tape diagram. So if you have a ratio of 2-3, that means that you need to draw 2 boxes and then 3 boxes. So again, the first thing you need to remember is that the ratio is the boxes. Then you need to label each of your box kind of columns, or I'm sorry, rows. So you have the ratio of boys to girls. So your boys are the 2, and then your girls are the 3. Now, then there's 3 blanks that you have to deal with. There's a blank on top that's going to cover these. There's a blank on the bottom that's going to cover this. And then there's a blank on the end, and that's going to be your total. So if you're looking at this, then if it says there are 25 students in the classroom, then you have to figure out, okay, where is that 25 going to go? And that 25 is going to go over here. So 25 goes there. Now you have to figure out, okay, what's going to go in each box? You have 5 total boxes to get to 25. So you do 25 divided by 5, and you end up at 5 in each box. Which then tells you that the boys, there's going to be 10, and then for girls, there's 15. So your answer to the problem is going to be 10 boys in the class. So this is a tape diagram. So the first problem in the homework that talks about bathroom tiles being in a ratio of 2 green tiles to 5 white tiles. So right there you're starting with your ratio, 2-5. So you would draw 2 and then 5 as your ratio. And then label it. This is going to be 2-5, so it's green to white. And then again you have 3 blanks. Here, here, and here. And so depending on the type of problem that you're asked, then you have to fill in those things. But the biggest thing is that you get the ratio, that is the boxes, that's how many boxes you draw, and then you go from there. Hope it helps.